Hello viewers, welcome back to Java Tech. In the last class we have discussed about exception programming Java. Now in this class we are going to discuss about arithmetic exception in Java. It's very basic question asked by the interviewer in every interview. So I am discussing what is arithmetic exception. If any value is divided by 0, then it raises an exception. That's called arithmetic exception. So we can write our own message in our exception. I can write my own message. So I'm creating a class arithmetic. My class name is arithmetic. Finish. Now I'm writing in my main method. It's my main method, and I'm taking my try catch block. Here I'm writing try catch block means I'm throwing an exception. Taking my variables int a is equal to 100 and b is 10, and I'm taking another variable here c. I'm storing a and b values in c. C is equal a by b. Here let's suppose 100 rupees are there. I'm distributing for 10 peoples. Each one should get 10 rupees. Then my output should be successfully distributed. Now I'm writing my catch block for exception handling. Arithmetic exception. Arithmetic exception E, and I'm writing my statement here. If there are no person is here for distribute, then my output should be like this. This out. I'm writing my println statement. Don't divide it by 0. Minimum one person should be there. Like minimum one value should be there. Minimum value should be 1. Now I'm writing another statement here with finally black. Finally black uses at any cost it will be printed. If exception is handled or not handled, finally it will be executed with other statements. I'm writing here my name by Afros for easily. Now I'm saving my program. We can expect our output successfully distributed by Afros. I'm running. Check the output in console. Successfully distributed by Afros. By Afros is here finally black. It will be executed finally. And I'm changing the value 0. No person is here for distribute. So it is an exception. Don't divide by 0. Minimum value should be 1. Is my user defined exception. It will be my output. Now I'm saving. I'm running my program again. Check the output in the console. Here is your output. Don't divide by 0. Minimum value should be 1. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Like and comment in comment section. Share the video to your friends. In the description you will find my previous program links. Subscribe and support me and encourage me.